Hey, Matt and Stefano here with Halperns Steak and Seafood. With Valentine's Day right around the corner, we have a great surf and turf item that will impress all your customers.
Matt, while everybody else out there is going to do your traditional lobster with filet, we're going to take it up another notch. Right here we have our Halperns Angus beef spinalis, and I'm going to pair it with these beautiful dayboat scallops.
That's a really unique take on a traditional classic. Now, tell me a little bit more about the spinalis.
Matt, the spinalis is actually the ribeye cap. It's very, very rich. However, it's got a very tender bite.
That sounds awesome. Now, how are you going to prepare this dish?
All we're going to do is lightly season the spinalis with our 6-pepper blend. We're going to grill that to the desired temperature, and when it's resting, we're going to pan-sear 2 of these beautiful dayboat scallops. We're going to finish all this off with a honey hot sauce and a spicy carrot puree.
The colors on this plate look amazing, and I like a new take to a classic dish.
Matt, it's always great to mix things up every now and then. Valentine's Day is a great opportunity to capture a new dining audience. For this recipe and more information from Halperns, please contact your Gordon Food Service CDS.